2:50 in the morning. It's almost 3 o'clock.
That's why I felt a little
You know why?
calm.
Because we're like leaving now.
Are we actually going to Disneyland?
Are we? Do you want to?
Yes!
Are you sure?
Hey, are you surprised? Are you so excited?
Yes.
What you think, Will?
It's pretty good, but I'm excited.
It's a good trip so far. We are making an excellent time. Everybody's good for waking up at 2, 3 in the morning.
I'm a little cranky.
There's no duck! It's Mickey Mouse!
Minnie Mouse!
Where dreams come true. So this is Caribbean Cay. This is the island. Anyways, Epcot's shooting up the fireworks. It's a little late. Oh wow.
Say hello.
Hello. Hello. Whatever.
Hannah, say hello.
Cute dreams.
Hey, Brayden, where are we?
Magic Kingdom.
Magic Kingdom.
Cinderella's castle. It's literally fireworks are going off outside. It's one of the most amazing things ever. The craziest thing, they told us food's free, the alcohol's free, drink as much as you want. Dude, it's like the craziest magical thing I've ever seen in my entire life. Wow. Oh my gosh. What do you think about this, Cannon?
This is cool.
The fireworks are going up outside. Oh my gosh. That'd be the most amazing thing I've ever seen in my entire life.
So excited. You guys have no idea.
This is so amazing. First of all, the food is amazing here. We're at Cinderella's castle. Second of all, they came by and they said, well, the food is free. Third of all, they gave us $25 gift card each. And fourth of all, we get an extra day at Disney at this
Give us
place.
free tickets?
Yes.
Well, here we go. We're speeding up. Look, there's Astro Orbiter up there.
Oh my God.
Exciting places you want to be sure to enjoy today while visiting with
That's Space Mountain.
Awesome, best day of my life. And the rest, I'm just speechless.
You tired, Brayden?
No.
No? You ready to keep going?
Wait, what do you think about today?
It's 11 o'clock. It's way past our bedtime. Yeah. We just rope dropped soaring, so Cannon, stay with us. Of course, nobody's up in here. This is day 2, and I don't know if we can beat day 1. But you know what? We're gonna try.
This is Brayden and Will's car right here for test track.
Automated crash avoidance technology disengaged. Displaying responsiveness data. Here comes the final test. Energizing for power test. Displaying power test results.
We're first!
Cinderella performance testing complete.
This concludes your performance testing.
Holy moly. It's coming. Looks like we're going in Lotus Blossom. It's beautiful. It just stormed. It just rained really hard. Cooled everything off. Now we're just chilling in a sauna. No big deal. We're going around the world. We're using our snack credits. Everything's a snack credit. So we'll get 1 snack per country and we'll all share it. And we'll get, 3 or 4 bites each. Of course. I had to get a beer from Germany. Jody got a grapefruit beer from Germany. It's pretty amazing.
Yeah, it's from Italy.
Italy.
And a cannoli.
Rigatoni? Rigatoni?
Rigatoni. With a cannoli.
I promise you, it's only been 1 beer. What is it?
A teriyaki steam bun.
Steamboat from Japan.
Daddy,
Nobody knows.
is it spicy?
I guess we'll find out. Eat it.
Oh my god, that is good.
Wow. So cool.
Hey, Brayden, here.
Let's row.
I got amazing.
Oh.
I got amazing dance, right?
You hear Reindeer dance is amazing. Good job, Kevin, standing up straight. Part.
Oh no! I remember wrong. Oh no! Oh no! I didn't.
That's how you do it right there. That's all right, Cannon. It's like nothing for Cannon. Cannon's like, really? Is that it? That's all we got?
I did the roller coaster shooting straight. It was super fun.
Expedition Everest.
Yeah, and there was so many drops. Even I wasn't scared.
Oh my goodness, it was so fun, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Did it go backwards?
Yeah, and that was even not even scary too.
Oh, he got it.
Got it.
So this is the Little Iceberg Forest that we're in right now. A lot of the animals here. There are a few giraffe migrating across the road there. You can see
Oh, hey, look at the baby one, Cannon, crossing the road.
crossing ahead of us. This baby is about when giraffe are migrating, they are called a journey.
Whoa. That is so cool.
For most of the day. Shh, silence. Everyone listen.
Whoa.
That's chuffing.
Wow. We are exhausted. I know I look tired. We are exhausted, and we had a good day at the pool today, and we rode Pandora's Flight of Passage.
That was awesome.
We rode Expedition Everest.
That was my favorite.
Cannon got on all the rides, which is pretty cool.
Yeah.
Fun day. But it's funny how we wake up, like the first days, and the second day we like pop up, oh my gosh, we're so excited. Not that we're not excited, but we really cherish our sleep. All the boys and stuff, we'll lay there like, oh my gosh. And that was like the third day. The fourth day today, we all got up early.
Yeah.
We have not had a really good breakfast.
Welcome to Disney's Hollywood Studios.